zone. Mom, you said we were going someplace fun.
Yeah, Mom, you promised.
Homer, I told you, don't call me Mom.
Sorry, Mrs. Simpson.
This isn't the learn zone. Darn it, it's a fun place.
Yay!
Dad, what would you do if you got my ear in the mail?
Feed it to the dog?
You'd have to wrap cheese around it.
Don't you tell me how to feed you to the dog.
Where do they go? Keep an eye on the kids, Homer.
Can I keep an eye on that kid? He's fabulous.
Bart and Lisa.
Almost. Holy moly! What's the... No! Never! Fine, here I come. Crawling! So painful! Huh? What cool kid thing's in here?
No kids. That's what's cool.
I hate working here. At least at Krusty Burger you could burn yourself and go home.
Unauthorized child departure. Lockdown mode initiated.
We're locked in!
These lasers are nothing more than colored lights!
Calm down, everyone. Calm down. See? All you need to get through a crisis is a little friendly conversation. Bet you the dads are doing the same thing.
Don't forget your jacket, sweetie.
Get out of there, you! Never!
We dumb.
Inks! Deep down, we're all savage inks!
You've been through a traumatic experience. Are you sure you want to go to work today?
Three Neds are better than one.
I guess despite all our so-called civilization, anarchy lurks around every corner like a racially diverse street gang on a network cop show.
Anarchy, the end of civilization, coming soon to an America near you.
We are slaves to the system. Close the supermarket and we starve. Cut off the tap, we drink our cat's blood.
Homer, what would you do in the case of an EMP?
Electromagnetic pulse.
We can teach you the skills you need to survive any crisis.
Ooh.
All we ask is that you keep your prepping secret.
What you reading, Dad?
Honey, everything's fine. There's nothing to worry about.
When grown-ups say that, it means there is something to worry about.
Are you eating my grain?
Maybe.
That was a 5-pound bag.
Yeah, but I'll go home, weigh myself, and I'll have gained 6 pounds.
What's up? Going crazy again?
I wish. Son, the best way to explain this is to show you some age-inappropriate movies.
There is money, unless gasoline is money, and even though lots of things are razor sharp, no one ever shaves.
Hollywood has taught you well, my son. Now let's push play.
I have come from a place where the land is warm, and the only ice is made by machines called fridge-rators.
Fridge-rators!
Here it is, Homer. The Springfield Preppers' top-secret bug-out retreat.
Wow! Your end of the world is better than my during the world.
Anyway, when the Four Horsemen ride, we want you and your collaterals right here with us.
Oh.
I can't find all our cereal, crackers, juice boxes, the butter brush.
A lot of that stuff must have got lost in the move. I've hidden all our supplies behind a fake wall.
I thought the basement looked cleaner.
See? These are our bug-out bags. In here is everything we need to survive. March, the apocalypse is coming. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe never. But it's coming. And soon.
I'm going to bed.
Oh, these here are my snack chips, your cheese puffs. Those are doodles. I will eat anything orange except an orange.
Electronics in Springfield have been disabled. Even the musical greeting cards.
This is it. Bug out time. Everyone but us.
A town without rules, without leadership, without television. This is Kent Brockman talking to himself.
Boy, get in the car and say goodbye to your best friend forever.
Bye forever, Millhouse. See you, Bart. Dad, how are we supposed to spend the rest of our lives here? We're already bored.
Here's something to pass the endless time. Write down which celebrities were rumored to be gay for future generations. Marge, when I started prepping for the end of the world, everyone laughed at me.
No one was laughing. You kept it a secret.
Well, just because I imagined it doesn't make it any less true.
When I fell in love with you, it was because of your big heart and your good looks. But someday those good looks are gonna fade.
What? I may have solved that problem. This rifle scope I modified makes any human face look dangerous and threatening. Boom, boom, boom.
What'd you shoot me for?
You were thinking I'd gone mad with power, weren't you?
I wasn't, but I am now.
Boom, 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 boom.
Don't be silly, Mary Ellen. Now we're going to leave this place. I'm sorry, Bart. I know you've made a bug-out camp girlfriend. We'll take these supplies back to Springfield where they're needed most.
You're a good man, Homer Simpson.
Dad, there are lights following us.
How can that be? I took every last can of gas.
I'm proud of you.
Huh?
Huh? Everything's normal.
What happened with the EMP?
Only Springfield lost power, you see, and after a few days it came back.
The zoo animals weren't eaten?
No, well, just a couple.
This non-disaster is a catastrophe.
Guys, can't you see that even an imperfect society is better than the savagery of creating a new one? I, for one, am glad we're stuck with civilization. And I think we will be for a long, long time.
I'm hungry.
Look, you can have potato chips now, or if you wait 10 minutes, you can have all the brains you can eat.
I want both.
Don't know about you. Don't know about you. I still don't know about you. Sure you don't know about you. Don't know about you. Sure, like chocolate cake. 달콤한 네 분위기로 녹여줘. 부드럽게 감싸 안아줘. Oh my baby, girl you drive me crazy. 내게 미쳐버려 널 알고 싶어. Girl, I still